What's up? Papa up in the house, and I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos thus far of my trip to Slamology. I will be there at the Excess Power Show on July the 10th, 2021. I just made some changes to TB. I put the PT 15s in here, and I know I talked about it, but yes, I am wired down to a half an arm per 2 subs. So this will be the last of the videos. So I'm gonna show you kind of what they look like. Also made some changes on the doors, if you look. Put the suede on here. Changed this piece up and actually changed the entire door and made it back original. All right, guys. Again, appreciate all the new subscribers. Appreciate all the current subscribers. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Get me all up in your feed. Share the video and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out. Find me another TB. Look at here. We all over the place.
There you go.
All right, so this probably like a 08 or something, isn't it?
05.
05, okay. So it's still in the same gen as mine, then. So you got the upgraded stuff on there.
Yeah.
So can you tell us what you got in here real quick?
All right, I have 4 X series sundowns on 2 4500 sound cubes, 80 amp hour lithium from CES, and a 390 aught from CES.
All right. How you metered this one?
This one I haven't metered yet. I just
Okay.
literally put it together Thursday before coming down.
Nice.
So only thing I did to them, I upgraded the coils on them to the dual 8-layer coils and SPL surrounds.
Okay.
But when I do the upgrade from them, I'm throwing the mega rolls back on there.
Are you gonna get in the lane today?
No, they're
Okay.
still not broke in all the way, so I don't want to.
Okay, gotcha. Don't want to push them too hard.
Yeah.
Awesome, man.
I give you what's this, 35, 52,
What's your box tuned to?
31.5.
All right, so we got lows coming in. Nice build. I like the setup, man.
Thank you.
Make it. Sit back and relax. You're about to get Rustified.
Get up. Y'all know what it is. Katy Perry. Juicy J. Let's rage.
To protect on it?
Yep.
All right.
Give me one
No, don't push it anymore.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. This one, this song's pretty nice too.
Okay.
Give you something.
Well, you're gonna give me something else. I think you got them out of protect, guys. So let's go ahead and listen to this one. He insisted, so yeah.
J. Khaled.
Find me another Trailblazer. Yeah, man. Look at what he did. Busted the back window out. I bet y'all know you can do that, right? I asked him how he busted the back window out. He said that he hasn't got it sealed off yet, so all that pressure went back there to the back. So that's what you got in here, man?
Yep. You ready?
Yep.
Do the whole window thing, Jimmy.
All right.
Nigga J White with the B line. Might get the pepper with the day, get the green light. I'ma dance for the team, right? One bush gotta pass, no invite. Ain't no working on my nerves and me insight. Demonstrate, don't swerve in the best light.
That's it.
So what you got in there, man?
215 American base.
American base?
Active
Okay.
Maxes.
Sounds good.
Selling pussy, but JJ got a barcode. These broke ass niggas need y'all.